It is the holiday season and it's time to break out the Christmas tree. And this year we're going to be comparing the brand new Govee Christmas Sparkle string lights to last year's Govee Christmas string lights 2. Very similar names, but 2 different products. And for good fun and measure, like last year, we're going to be comparing it to Twinkly. So without further ado, let's jump in the video and see which one is right for you. First things first, I do want to thank Govee for sending these out to me for a full honest review, and Twinkly has sent me stuff over the years also. But I do not allow any types of paid sponsorships on any of my channels, so you know you're going to get my honest review, no matter if it's good or bad. Now, I was very surprised that Govee reached out to me and said they had a brand new Christmas tree lights, because last year's were pretty awesome and I could definitely highly recommend them. The only minor con that I had with them last year was the 2D mapping, where Twinkly had the 3D mapping. So I did have a Christmas tree turner, and because of the 2D mapping, some of the lights did not get mapped, but they've solved that issue. Now, I don't know how it all works, but I can report you just do the standard mapping with the one setup and it's going to map all around your tree, unlike Twinkly, where you have to take multiple shots of setting it up to get the backside of the tree. Don't know how they did it, but Govee has pulled it off, and you get that same 3D mapping in the brand new sparkle lights. And the only true differences are the price, the number of LEDs per foot. So if you're getting the 99-foot version, you're going to get 375 lights on the brand new ones, where you only had 300 LEDs on last year's version. And the most physical difference is on the Sparkle, the lights are on little tiny stems, where last year's version, the LED was in line, which made it a lot easier to wrap up the wire at the end of the season. It came with a nice roll, and you can just roll it right up, and you didn't have these little stems sticking out, which prevented you from rolling it up. Now, these new string lights, you do have to kind of fold up, and you have to make into 6 different bundles. At least that's the 99-foot version. There's 6 bundles, and you have to hold all the bundles as you walk around the tree, which is just totally tedious, even though most people are kind of used to it. Now, I'm not saying it's faster to deploy them or to put them away, but it is definitely a lot easier when it's all in one big roll, and you don't have to have 6 hands to try to jungle these little 6 bundles of lights. You can get it done. It's not a huge issue, but I just prefer the LEDs to be in line and out of the way. But I can also understand why some people like those little stems. It's more to what people are used to, even though when it's all lit up, you cannot tell a difference unless you're right on top of the tree. And you're going to get all the same effects, which Govee just blows away the competition when it comes to their special effects and their app. It's so user-friendly, and they have so many different scenes and features built into the app, from the mapping to the painting to the built-in music syncer, which will link your lights to the music, unlike the Twinkly, where you need an additional accessory to have that feature. This is all built into it. And talking about Twinkly, I did order a new set this year, and unfortunately it had a ripped wire. The quality was not that great. Looks like their quality control and the quality of their materials definitely has gone down this year. I don't know why. And unfortunately, I was outside the return window by the time I opened up this package and found that I could not use these lights. But you can see the physical difference here between my last Twinkly set and the brand new one that I bought this year. And you can see the quality has just gone down for whatever reason. And unfortunately, Twinkly has not done any updates in their app over the last year. So you're going to get the same scenes and features just like last year, which are pretty good, but Govee has really stepped up their game, and I'm pretty impressed with all the built-in effects and features that you can use in the Govee app. So if you're on the fence between last year's Govee and this year's Govee, it really comes down to price, and if you mind having the stems or you want the LEDs in line like I prefer. And talking about my personal preference, this does work with my favorite smart home, Apple Home, through Matter. It does only have simple controls through Matter, matter. But if you did want to bring this into Alexa natively, you can get a little bit more controls. It's just that Matter just has simple controls. And then with Twinkly, I still love Twinkly if they can fix their quality control, and that's natively in Apple Home. But then once again, you only have simple controls. All right, guys, that's going to do it for me. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit that like button. And if you guys are brand new here and this video has helped you, I hope you will consider subscribing. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.